Hi there. In this walkthrough, we will take you step by step through building your first automated trading bot using Trabo's intuitive bot editor. In this example, the bot will automatically buy a coin when it drops by 3% in a day, and it will sell if it increases by 10%. Let's dive in. Head over to the bot section on the left sidebar, then click on Create New Bot. This will launch the bot editor. The editor is split into three main parts. The workspace, the area where you can drag and drop nodes and connect them to build your bot. Nodes menu. This menu contains all the building blocks for your bot. You can search for specific nodes or filter by type. Indicators node. These bring data into your bot, such as market prices, news, or wallet balances. Operation nodes. These process the data like calculating indicators or performing logical operations. Action nodes. These execute real-world actions such as placing orders on the market. The next section is the toolbar. When you are first creating a new bot, the toolbar will show only a few basic options: a field to name your bot, a save button,
and buttons to manage variables and schedules.
Once you save your bot for the first time, additional features become available, such as viewing the logs, using the test button, and the ability to start or stop your bot. That's a quick overview of the interface. Now, let's get started on building our bot. First step, fetching historical candles. To create our bot, we first need historical candles data to calculate the rate of change. Search for the historical candles node in the menu and drag it to the workspace. Configure the node, select Binance as the exchange, choose BTC USDT as the trading pair, set the time frame to 1 day and the depth to 2 candles. This setup retrieves the last 2 daily candles, which we will use to calculate the percentage of change between the closing prices. Step 2. Log in the data. While building a bot, it's helpful to log outputs to monitor progress. Drag the login nodes into the workspace and connect it to the historical candle node. Set the prefix to something like candles to label your logs. Save and test the bot. Check the logs to verify that you are getting the correct data. Each candle contains a timestamp, open price, high price, low price, and closing price, and the volume. Step 3. Calculating the rate of change. Now, to calculate the percent of change between the last 2 candles, add the rate of change rock node to your workspace. Configure the node, set the source to the closing price, set the price to 1 day since we are comparing 2 candles. Connect a login node to the rock node output to view the result. Save and test the bot. Check the logs to ensure you see the rock value, which represents the percentage change in price. Step 4. Extracting the rock value. To use the rock value in conditions, we need to extract it from the array. Add element by index node and connect it to the rock node. Configure it to extract the second element, index 1. Convert the output to decimal format using the 2 decimal node. Step 5. Defining buy and sell conditions. Add 2 crossing nodes. Configure the first to trigger when rock crossing below -3% for a buy, and configure the second to trigger when rock cross above 10% for a sell. Connect each condition to the respective action node. Use the market order node for both. For the buy condition, set the action to buy with 0.1 BTC. For the sell condition, set the action to sell with 0.1 BTC. Save the bot and click on Test to simulate execution. Check the logs to verify the bot's behavior. Ensure the conditions and actions are correct. Once satisfied, configure the bot's trigger. Use a schedule to run every minute for a real-time monitoring. Start the bot, and that's it. You have built your first bot. This bot will monitor the market and execute trades automatically while you focus on other things. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to set up webhooks triggers for even more powerful automation. Stay tuned and happy trading with Trabo.